Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have four members PQRS such that the mathematical expression PQRS equals PS minus QR. Now according to the question, we have to find the value of x such that 2 5x 4 5x equals minus of 10. So this expression over here can be written as 2 multiplied by 5x minus of 4 multiplied by 5x, which is equals minus of 10. So we can take 5x common from both the terms. So 5x multiplied by 2 minus 4, which is equals minus of 10. So minus of 10x equals minus of 10. Divide both sides of the equality by minus of 10. So x will be equals minus of 10 upon minus of 10, which is equals 1. So the value of x is 1. So x equals 1, and this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.